Hi guys, this video is going to be a very unique one when compared to the other videos what I have posted so far. So other videos was all about trolls, social media and cine gossips, but this video is specially for car. There are so many car lovers. Car is a very important component in our daily life, isn't it? So yes, I came up with this idea. I'm following one YouTuber. She is a celebrity. Seeing her vlog, she just posted one video about the Mini Cooper. That made me to came up with this idea. I was super excited to share my personal thoughts about my dream and all-time favorite car, Mini Cooper convertible. Will be useful for everyone because I'm going to explain end to end about the Mini Cooper convertible. I'm going to discuss something about the design, performance, safety measures, on-road prices, everything in this video. So you people will be finding very interesting. Please don't skip the video, watch till the end. So that you people also will get more clarity about the Mini Cooper convertible. Yes, let's get started. So it is a non-stop thrill behind the wheel. It is going to make you feel more alive. You are going to enjoy a lot while driving this mini convertible. You can open up to the outside world. This is how the new mini convertible is designed. So we are coming to the design. They have set folding mechanism. It is going to operate in three stages. One is up, down and sunroof, so that the breeze can come inside and you can enjoy your journey. Then if you want to open or close the rooftop, it is going to done in a flat 18 seconds, even if you are driving the car at a speed of 30 km per hour. You can also customize your own mini. Then while traveling, the first thing that come to your mind is music. Yes, you can enjoy the music. You have the music system in your car, and then they have matrix led technology headlights. So that is going to be the illuminated one, best illumination level for better visibility and safety. Then they have some rear mirror. The front camera is integrated with the rear mirror, so that if there are oncoming vehicles, the camera is going to detect that and automatically the headlights will be on. But obviously this is going to distract other road users, right? Yes, for that case they are optimally eliminating the other areas of the road, so that the other people who is driving along with you is not going to distracted at all. This is a super fantastic facility, right? Yes. Then another one problem we all have with our car is we have to keep the luggages. That is a very big problem nowadays. Yes, if you are going for a long travel, obviously we will be carrying some 2 to 3 bags or 4 to 5 bags. Obviously we have to allocate some space for that along with the passengers. Yes, for that purpose Mini Convertible came up with the idea. You can increase the size of the luggage compartment opening just by pushing off the rooftop. And also you no need to pile up the luggages one by one or one over the other. You can easily can have a longer items by just folding the rear seat 50 to 50 split, so that way you can keep a very longer items. This is very super cool, right? Yes. And I am coming to my favorite part. This is a very special in Mini Cooper convertible, that is about the logo. They have winged mini logo. There is something special in the logo. Whenever you are going to enter into the car, this mini logo is going to project some beam of light from the inside of the door to the ground, so that way it is going to greet you whenever you are going to enter the car. This is very interesting one and my favorite part, because so many cars have they don't have this facility. See, if a car is greeting us, it is a very big thing for us, so that the journey will also be very good. So that way they have designed something different. Then another one problem with the car is gear system, that is very difficult for the people who is driving for the first time. they don't know which gear to operate. So for that purpose they have both manual and automatic gear system. So 7 speed steptronic sport automatic transmission is there. While the previous one is active, you can shift to the next one to improve the acceleration. You can customize your Mini because the car is yours. You can customize whatever you want. They have different rim colors, so it is going to indicate your personal style that is engineered for Mini model's performance. So my question is, why not you people to try a few to what they look on your Mini? Yes, just make a try. You can try with the different rim colors that is going to reflect your personality. They came up with a different set of modes. One is sports mode, one is a green mode, and another one is off. Off in the sense it is neither green nor sports. If you are switching to your green mode, then you are obviously it is going to optimize the fuel delivery for you. Then the second thing is, if you are operating in the sports mode, you can really enjoy the driving. It is going to give a responsible steering and acceleration. That way you can ride a car like a sportsman. That is super cool. And the third mode is neither green nor sports. That is off mode. That is a happy monitoring mode. Yes. Then the other thing is interior. The interior of the car has to be designed in a very perfect way so that it is going to reflect your mode. So they have color lines, knee roll, armrest. They have some eye-catching tones. They have some mini excitement pack. In that way, you can design your interior. They have some eye-catching tones: malt brown, glowing red, and satellite gray. Yes. And another one thing is, when compared to other cars, this Mini Cooper convertible came up with a different set of colors. Maybe other cars, when compared to other cars, they have only 4 to 5 colors, but this Mini Cooper convertible is having more than 7 to 10 colors. You can choose whatever you want. Solaris orange, starlight blue, and emerald gray. It is going to give you more individuality, stylish, and personality look. Yes. Then coming to the technology, they have awesome technology. One is Apple CarPlay. CarPlay is the most secure way to use your iPhone in your car. You can access iPhone music, maps, you can make phone calls, you can send messages, whatever you want. You can also try with your voice through Siri. Then next thing is, they have touchscreen navigation system. Whenever you touch the screen, it is going to give you real-time traffic updates. That way you can reach your destination as soon as possible. Yes. Then the next thing is head-up displays. It is going to display something essential monitoring info. It is inspired by Jet Cockpit technology. It is going to give you the stereo information, alert information, everything. This is very nice. I love this technology. Yes. There is also, whenever you are driving a car, there has to be some safety measures. Yes, they have some inbuilt safety measures. That is what we are going to discuss now. They have some airbags. One is 2 front, 2 side impact, and 2 knee airbags that is going to monitor the collision. It is going to provide the additional head protection. Yes. And another one thing is, they have camera based driver assistant. So it includes the features such as FCW, that is forward collision warning, and AEB, that is automatic emergency braking. In that way it is going to protect you. And they also have mini rain warner app. So this app, it is going to check the forecast in your area. If the chance of rain is high, it is going to give you a notification telling that please close the rooftop. So that way you will be getting alert and you will be closing your rooftop and you are enjoying the journey. There is also another one safety measure, which is the hidden roll bar. In the event of rollover, in case some rollover happens, it is going to give you some additional head protection for you and your passengers. Really, I love this Cooper convertible. We are going to discuss something about the on-road prices. So I'm going to tell you the showroom price in New Delhi, so which is about 38.9 lakhs. And I'm going to tell you about the specs of Mini Cooper convertible. It gives you a mileage of 16.7 kilometer per liter, and then the engine capacity is 1998 cc. BHP is 189.08. The transmission is automatic, as I have already mentioned in the video. There are 4 seats and boot space is 125 liters. Yes, every car has some disadvantages. So yes, this car is also having some disadvantages, but according to me, it is my dream car. Even though it has some pros and cons, I don't mind that because it is my all-time favorite. Yes. So they have different sets of versions. One is mini 3-door hatch, mini convertible, which is my favorite, and then mini clubman, mini countryman. So still there are so many cars, I mean the version of car they are going to launch. Let's see. I'm going to tell something about the history of Mini Cooper. The original Mini was created as a response to a very unusual set of circumstances. Leonard Lord of the Morris Company, he asked his designer to create a vehicle that would be more efficient for drivers during the 1956 crisis. And then he told that it should able to hold 4 passengers but be affordable and efficient as well. So that is the result of Mark I, so which premiered in 1959. The first model was came in 1959, then originally sold under Morris and Aston nameplates. The Aston and Mini and the Morris Mini soon became the cultural icons. At the same time, in 1961, they have partnered with the Formula One designer, that is John Cooper, to build a performance rally car. So they came up with the more powerful Cooper S versions that became popular rally car throughout the year. Then Mini Cooper is extremely a customizable car and the marketplace today. It is a part of the Mini experience. Yes, so many of you have some questions in your mind. Is Mini Cooper a BMW? Yes, BMW owns Mini Cooper, and for some time now, Mini Cooper was bought out by BMW in 2000. Before BMW's acquisition, the Rover Group owned the Mini. Yes, is Mini Cooper a luxurious car? The answer is yes. From the Mini John Cooper works to Mini Hot Tops, Mini is indeed a luxurious brand. This is what makes a Mini a luxury car. It is fun to drive with a powerful engine and exciting design. Why is it called Mini Cooper, right? The name Mini Cooper originally belonged to the sports version of original Mini. The name comes from John Cooper. He is the designer of Formula One. Mini Cooper is expensive to fix, aren't the most expensive cars to purchase new and with regular maintenance, depending on the type of driving you do. Cars are designed to last a long time. Mini Cooper maintenance costs are in line with the other performance car. Then there are other question, is Mini Cooper a German car? Yes, Mini is stylished as Mini, the capital Mini. It is a British automotive marque. It is founded in 1969. It is owned by German automotive company since 2000. Used by them for a range of small cars. Then another question, is Mini Cooper a girly car? It is not a girl nor a boy specific car. It is so flexible with its ability to customize, allowing the owner to be gender specific if they choose. Why did BMW buy Mini? They bought the Mini brand as a part of its purchase of Rover Group in the mid 1990s, and subsequently they retained it when selling Rover in 2000. At the time, both Rover and BMW had ideas about what a new Mini should be. but it was American designer Frank Stephenson working for BMW whose concept was finally approved. Or Mini Cooper is reliable. It is average in terms of dependability. It has a reliability index of 170, but the average is 118. Its repair cost in aren't too bad. It is pretty good, especially compared to some of their rivals. They are off the road for a little bit longer, however, at 2.62 hours. How long will a Mini Cooper last? Life expectancy of a Mini Cooper, it is a question mark. It is as long as you have money in your wallet willing to spend at the shop. Just kidding. So with the general upkeep and making sure you keep up with the major service and regular oil changes, it should last you well over 100k miles. Are Minis worth the money? Yes, Mini brand car has a pretty good resale value assuming the car is in a great shape and has no problems with it. If and when you decide to get rid of your car, you will earn more back than what you would with the other vehicles.